now we're going to construct a triangle with one side and two angles. So I'm first going to measure AB. AB is 8 centimeters. Right, there's 8 centimeters. And always label AB. Right, then angle B is 40 degrees. So I'm going to put my protractor on B. Do you see there's my vertex? There's my vertex. Put it on B, and then we're going to measure 40 degrees. So we start with a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 40 degrees. Right? Then doesn't matter how long you're going to draw this line. I can see you constructing by your lines intersecting each other. Right? And then angle A is 55 degrees. So I put my protractor on the vertex. 55, start with a 0, 0 is outside. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So between 50 and 60 is 55. Make a dot. Join that dot with my vertex. And where that angle cross or intersect, that is C. And you can always check. We said this angle is 55. This one is 40. And we know some angles of a triangle is 180. So what is C supposed to be? Let's quickly check. 180 minus 55 minus 40 will be 85 degrees. So let's see if we constructed it correctly. Right, we put the vertex, doesn't matter from which arm you measure. Right, put it on the vertex. 0, right, 0 is there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and it is exactly, let me just put it on the vertex, and it's exactly 85 degrees. Right, so don't take chances. I give you marks for these extended lines. Then I knew you measured your lines.